Hey guys, it's Nolan here, back with Grapthol Presents. We're here with my G35. It is pretty dirty at the moment. I don't know if you guys can tell, but let's take a little peek. Yeah, you guys can tell over here in the sun a bit more. It's a little dirty. Here you go. Yeah, so it's a little dirty. It needs a little cleaning. So I'm gonna do a full detail on it today, or at least exterior clean. My interior is pretty clean already, so quick cleaning. And yeah. Well, she looks pretty good now. This black looks so good when it's cleaned up. It just sucks because you have to clean this car like every week, it feels like. But when she's cleaned up, she looks nice. So, yeah, that's it. I'll show you what I use to clean my car. I use this stuff. It seems to be pretty good. So that's the end of the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys want to watch or what content you guys want, because I've been filming quad, car, a little bit of everything. So let me know what you guys want. I think I'm going to do a G35 review also, give my opinion on this car. So I've had it for probably 3 or 4 months now. So yeah, I think I was gonna give my review on it. That's gonna be an upcoming video probably here soon. And yeah, let me know what you guys want, and thanks for watching.